students, today I Priya Rohira is going to explain you the practical part of my previous lecture, that is series object. In my previous lecture I had explained you the various methods to create series object, and in this video I will explain all the ways to create series object with practical. First is creating an empty series. To create an empty series, first of all we need to import pandas library. So for that, import pandas spd. Now to create an empty series, I took a variable s and in that pd dot series, and in this empty bracket you don't need to specify anything. Notice that I haven't mentioned anything inside the bracket and I am giving the s to display the output of this empty series object. Control enter to check the output. So as you can see that in that braces nothing is shown. यहाँ पे आपका कोई आउटपुट नहीं आया है. क्यों? क्योंकि हम empty series create कर रहे हैं and it is taking the data type float 64 because हमने यहाँ पे कोई भी values को create नहीं किया है. Next, creating series without index parameter by using list. Now in this example I will explain you how to create series with list. You can do it by using two ways. First, you can take a list parameter. Suppose I took a list and here I had specified. Suppose you took your list parameter this time 1, 34, 56, so on, anything you can take, and for creating a series s equal pd dot series, and in that you will pass this list variable. Here you have passed list variable from here and simply s control enter to check the output. Here you can see that 1, 34, 56. Okay, you have given your list like this, and if you don't want to use that, you can directly specify your list here. In that case, square bracket 1, 34, 56. Method is same, but here you have specified the list inside the bracket and in previous you have specified the list variable separately. See, check the output. Output is the same. So these are two ways you can opt according to your own choice. And here you can see that I have not used index parameter. So by default it is taking 0, 1, 2. Now you can change the index or you can apply your own index. Creating series with index parameter. Now in that case I took list 1, 34, 67 s equal pd dot series, and here you have specified your list variable, and with list variable you will specify your index. Index, any index you can give. Suppose this time I want to give a, b, c. S, control enter. This time my index is A, B, C and my values are 1, 34, 67. So I think this point is clear. You can take index according to your own choice. Make sure that the number of values and number of indexes should be equal to each other. Otherwise it will generate an error. See, suppose I took here 4 values and here only 3 indexes. This time it will raise an error. See the output? Now you can see that it is generating this error, and the same error will come if you are taking more indexes and less values. This time control enter to check the output. Again it is taking value error. So make sure that your number of values should be equal to number of indexes otherwise it will create an error. Now your output is correct. Creating series using ND arrays. For this, earlier we have imported pandas library. Now if we are using array, we need to import the NumPy library also. I import NumPy as NumPy. अगर हम यहाँ पे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप NumPy लिखें, pandas के केस में PD लिखें. You can take NP1, NPP, PD1, it should be your choice. But generally we are using NP or PD as alias name for NumPy and pandas. अगर हम ये नहीं लिखते हैं तो हमें हर पोजीशन पे हर बार NUMPY पूरी स्पेलिंग लिखनी पड़ेगी. Otherwise we can take NumPy. So first of all we need to create an array. Suppose I took variable, here I take np dot array, and here you have specifier. Now this time I am generating array by using list, and s equal pd dot series, and I have passed array variable and print s. Control enter. You can see that 1 34 78. First I have created an array by using the array function, and this array has been created by using the list. As you can see that my values are in square bracket, and I have passed this array in the series. So you can see the output here. We can create array by using so many ways. Likewise, first I had explained you creating an array using list. You can create an array by using arrange function also. Suppose I took ar2 np dot arrange, and here you have given 5. Same, you are creating s equal pd dot series, and here you have specified ar2 s. See, check the output. You can see that 0 1 2 3 4, and this is by my default index because I have not created any indexes of my choice here. So arrange is a function which is also creating an array 5, that means it will take 0 to 4. You can make changes also. Suppose you can give your starting place. Suppose I want to 2 less than 15, and each time I want 2 jumps. Check the output. See, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14. Okay, so that means it will start with 2, less than 15 means 14, and each time it is taking the gap of 2 2. So it's your choice कि which arguments you are giving in the arrange function. Third method to create an series by using array using the tile function. For example, suppose I took ar3 equal np dot tile, and here you need to specify an array and how many times you want to repeat this. Tile is a function of NumPy library which replicate this array according to the given number of times. You will see the output, then you will understand. S equal pd dot series, and I have passed array 3 s. Control enter. So you can see that 1 2 3 one time, 1 2 3 two time, 1 2 3 three time. So this is my data, and it is specifying here how many times you want to repeat this array. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, total 3 times. Here I have given 3 times. If I am giving 2, control enter. So you can see that 1 2 3 one time, 1 2 3 two times. So tile is a function which replicates the array according to the given number of times. I hope I have given you these method in my practical approach that I have not explained in my theory explanation. So you can try it for your practice. Now my next method, creating series using dictionary. So to create a series using dictionary, you need to create dictionary first. For that I am using a variable and curly brackets you will use. And you know that in dictionary we are using key and value pair. So for A my value is 1, comma. For B my value is 2. For C my value is 3. So on, you can take any number of values. And S equal PD dot series, and you had passed dict1 S, check the output. Now in this case, as I had explained you, all the keys A, B, C will become index and all the values will become the values of series, will become the data of series. So A, B, C are my keys here and it will become index here. 1, 2, 3 are my values here and it will become the data or value of the series object. Creating series using scalar value. For this, simple S equal PD dot series. You need to specify any value, and in that case you know that index argument is compulsory. We cannot avoid it. Index, suppose I took A, I took B, comma, I took C. S, check the output. So you can see that my index is A, B, C, and on each index my single value, that is my scalar value 10, it's shown here. I hope students, these all methods of creating series are clear to you. If you have any problem, you can message me in the comment box. And this all programming I have done in the Jupyter notebook. Thank you students.